Yesterday, I got to drive a Corvette. Today, I'm drifting my 86, pretty much only. I don't know, maybe I'll hop in somebody else's car. But I'm here for MB Drifts Round 2. This is they do a grassroots drift competition. I've talked about it before. I'm not here to compete. I'm here just to have a good time and, you know, go drive my 86 and hang out with some friends. We got Mr. Justin Bauer here in his S550 Mustang. Look at these sweet, a little beat up, but still sweet carbon fiber fenders. Yeah, buddy. A few more of the usual cars. You know, we've got Tony in his VQ swapped S13. Anthony is G35. This is a new one. This is obviously an FCRX7. It has a turbo rotary engine that's now NA. And he's been out here. He doesn't drift a whole lot, so it's really cool to see him out here. We've got the OK Drift crew. We've got Brandon Goodman, Mr. Vanderpool, and then right there, we got Shaky. Yeah. I love this car right here. A turbo BMW E30 with the wide body kit, so it's like the M3 version of it. It's not obviously not the stock body, but it's pretty cool. It's a good body kit, I feel like. I love this car. I love watching it drive. Got another BMW, Mr. Andy over here in this thing. He runs an auto glass company, so he's driving, but he's also over there. Way over there, he's helping do like windshield coatings for people because it's probably going to rain today. Then we got this. This is so wild. This is a right-hand drive swapped S13. It's got an SR20, but it's a USDM chassis. So like you can see over there where the brake booster and everything was, but actually it's over here now. Super cool. We got Wade Smith in this super sweet S14. He's killing it. Such a good driver. I'm gonna go see if I can get some tandems in with him today. Yeah. Mr. Josh Buster here and his SR20 S13 Vert. Love this dude. Love this car. Such a killer driver. We got the other Cruising Auto guys here. So we've got a NAKA S14, and he shreds just with that setup there. And then we got Eric, the owner of Cruising Auto here in this G35 sedan. The sweet lights and everything. And now his car won't start. Oh, there it goes. There it goes. It's just gonna be a good day of driving. I'm super excited for this. Like, drift competitions are fun and all, they're great, but I like low-key, just chill days, so that's why I'm not competing anymore, at least in the MB Drift series. I just want to come out and drive and have a good time with my buddies. I guess since there's cars on track, I should probably go get ready and go hop on grid. So what you doing here?
Hot wire.
Just hot wiring.
Just a little hot wiring.
A little hot wiring. Gone in 60 minutes.
I guess they left the keys at home and they don't want to miss out on his seat time. They're already here. It's an hour and a half home, so they're gonna do what they got to get on track. All right. Well, I guess I'll go get on track now. I really like this course because it gives a real fun, like, swing kind of entry because you can, like, get real aggressive with it. So much fun. I don't know if I was supposed to do that, but I did it anyway. I really like this layout. Like, yeah, it's a little short, but it's really fun because you can throw so much angle into several corners that, like, it's just a blast. I really, really like doing that. Like, a lot. 3? Yeah, okay, we got 3. We're gonna go 3, I'm gonna lead. That was fun. So behind me there was Taylor and Dustin Walker. They're a husband and wife, and the wife drives an E30 and he drives a Miata, and both of them are on Drift Week. Super good drivers, super cool people, just a lot of fun to drive with, and just good people, man. All right, now we're gonna have Joe Boosum chase me. He's behind me in that that green 350Z. Yeah. Oh, that was so good. I like driving with Joe. He's a good dude. He's a good driver. All these people are good fun, good drivers, you know? My tires are done. Yep, time to change tires. I could tell in the last run they're starting to get a little loose, and that time really they were just gone, done, couldn't hang anymore. My rear tires. All right, we'll go pull back in, change tires, put a fresh set on, and go drive some more. Mr. Kyle Vanderpool there.
All right, I came in, I went to go change tires, and then it was pretty much time for the competition to start, or at least the qualifying runs. So I just parked it, been hanging out. The qualifying is over now, and it's raining a little bit. So I might go out there and try and check out some stuff, but I don't know if there'll be any more time for fun runs at the end of the day. I'll probably toss on a fresh set and just be ready to go because I'd like to get a few more laps in today. It was crazy, like I've seen a couple of cars break down today, which really bums me out. So I'll go and show you one of the cars that this makes me the most sad. Drake Carter, I love this car, awesome driver. This engine has 280,000 miles on it, has never been out of the car, flying me out of turbo kit. He's gone through a couple of throttle bodies, which I think is, you know, that seems like kind of a weird thing to me, but this time the head popped off of one of the screws for the throttle plate, and it's probably in the engine because now it like misfires a little bit, which really bums me out because he's been killing it today. And it's finally one color. This car used to be like 3 different colors. Now it's all one color. It's got a body kit on it. Looks real good. And that's Drake right there hanging out. Wade Smith over here. He was doing so good today and yesterday. And then during some practice runs and qualifying, or practice runs earlier today, his diff broke and locked up on him. So it's on the trailer now. And Josh Buster right here. So it's raining. He's got this top for it that doesn't quite shield him enough, so he's added some little plexiglass to it to try and protect him from the water.
All right, so the rain let up. I'm able to come out here and do some filming and see some stuff on track, a little different than just standing from the sidelines. Yeah. Got Steven Larson in his Drift Subaru, leading against Brandon Goodman in the S13 here. Well, that's the end. The comp went a little long today. This time MB drifted a top 32 and they usually do a top 16. There's so many drivers, so there was only time to do fun runs for me at the end of the day. I'm just packing up and going home. This was such a good weekend. 2 days camping at the track, hanging out, having a good time. 3 different track layouts in 2 days. Like, yeah, pretty solid. Good tandems, good friends, good times. Man, if you're not having fun drifting, you're really doing it wrong.